Children, this video we will discuss about different views of the PowerPoint. Click on view. Normal view. These are the different views. Normal views, outline view, slide sorter, notes page. These 4 views are in our syllabus. So first we are discussing about the normal view. In normal view, we see the different thumbnails of our slides, and in outline view, we see the title of every slide on the left like this. In slide sorter, we get the miniature of every slide. Click right mouse button on any slide and you will get these options: duplicate slide of the selected slide, delete slide, hide slide, and you can also rearrange your slides like this. Notes page. If you want to add some notes for the particular or selected slide, you can write your notes here, but during the presentation these notes will not appear. And if you want to give handouts to your audience, then we have to use this option. First go to view and click on handout master. Here we have many options. First, you can set the number of slides on one page, how many slides you want to set on one page. So we can select 1 slide, 2 slide, 3 slides. This type of view we will get if we select this option. It will print 4 slides on one page. And slide size, standard size, widescreen size, and you can also customize the size of the slide. You can increase or decrease the size of the slide like this, and we can set the orientation also. Portrait means vertical and landscape means horizontal. So we always use this option. You can set vertical also like this. Now we can set header and footer. If you want to display date, then we have to click on this. By default it has clicked. Now if we don't want to display, then we will hide this and this one. And footer, page number means here page number will display. And after setting this property, we have to close master view, and you can take out the printouts of your presentation. Thank you.